Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology paper 3 for the year October-November 2022. I'll be solving website authoring. Data analysis is already done. You can find the link in the description. So we'll start from task 3. Create a new folder called N22. So this is the folder where I have saved the files. So create a new folder and the name is N22. Locate the following files and store them in your N22 files. So all these files we have to store. So except the Excel files and the evidence document, let's move all the files to this folder. So we have 9 files here. Display the contents of your N22 folder, showing the folder name, all file names, file extension, file size, image dimension, and video frame height and width. Take screenshot. So in order to show that, we have to just view it as a content. So right click, view, choose the option content. So this shows all the details. So let's take a screenshot. And this is your evidence too. Next, task 4, we are going to create the web page. You will create a web page for the Tavera Wildlife Trust. So I am using Microsoft Expression Web for creating the web page. So we need to create a new web page called line.html. So let's open File, New HTML page, save it as. Inside your N22 folder, the name of the file is line, save. The web page must be created using a single table and must work in all browsers. The table must fit 100% of the browser window and have a structure like this. So if you look at the table, you can see there are 3 columns and 5 rows. So let's create a table with 5 rows and 3 columns. So click on table, insert table, 5 rows and 3 columns. And make sure the table fits 100%. The width is 100%. Give OK. Now you can see cells in the first column all are merged. So select all these cells, right click, modify, merge cells. And except the second last row, all the cells are merged here. So let's merge this. Now let's set the width of the cells. So the first cell, the width is 30%. So right click, cell properties, width is 30%. So set it as percent. B and C are 70%. right click, cell properties, width is 70%. E and F are 35%. Width is 35%. Let's name the cells so that it's easy when you are inserting the elements. Each table cell is identified with a letter. These must be set as percentage. Do not set the height. The cell contents shown in the diagram must not appear on the final page. So you are not supposed to show any of the letters in the web page. Table borders must appear on your final web page. Place in cell A the image N22 logo.jpg. So this is the cell. Go to insert picture from file. N22 logo. Let's give the alternate text. Alternate text is the text which will be displayed if the image is not loaded due to any reason. So you have to give alternate text for all the images because they will ask it later in step 21. So make sure you add alternate text. Give OK. In cell B, the image N22 project.jpg. N22 project. So you can name it as project. Okay. In cell C, a video tag to display N22.line.mp4 so that it fits the width of the cell. Display an automated text-based error message if the browser does not support this video type. In order to insert the video, let's go to the code. We have to insert it where the letter C appears. So this is the place where we have to insert the video. So you can just delete that C and let's give the tag video. It should fill the width of the cell, so the width must be 100%. So let's set that. The video width equal to 100%. Now we need to place the video N22 line.mp4. So let's set the source of the video src equal to N22 line.mp4. Display an automated text-based error message if the browser does not support this video type. So in between the video tag, you can give the error message. Your browser does not support this video type. Save this file. Let's check whether the video is working. Open line. You can see the video is shown here, but there is no play button. or any other control. So we need to provide the code for that. So click here, just add the word controls here. In the video tag you have to add the word controls. Now you can save this. Let's refresh the page. So now you can see the play button and other controls are there. Now let's continue. In cell E you have to place the image N22 home.png. In cell E, so here you have to insert the image N22 home. So you can give the alternate text as home. In cell F, the image N22 contact.png. Cell F. If it's difficult for you to insert from the design page, you can just go to the code and then replace it there. In cell F, so here you have to insert the image. Go to insert picture from file, contact. So you can give the alternate text as contact. Place inline style attributes into the HTML so that each image fits with the width of the table cell with its aspect ratio maintained. So for each image we have to place inline styles for the width. So here this is our first image and here the width is given. So let's remove that and give inline style for width. For that you have to just copy this part, or from here you can copy. This is inline style equal to, then the width equal to 100% must be given in this way. So you can just copy and place it in the image tag. We have to do that for each image tag. Just remove the width and height which is already there. Just give the inline style for width. Next image is given here. Let's remove the height and width and paste the code for inline style, which is 100%. Next, add appropriate alternate text to all still images. We have already done that. Place in cell D the text from the file N22 text.txt. So this is N22 text. You can just copy the text and place in cell D. So this is the place where we have to place it. Let's paste it here. Set this text as style H2. So select the text. And set the style as H2. Enter in cell G the text edited by followed by your name, center number and candidate number. Cell G is here. Edited by your name, center number and candidate number, and it must be style HD. So set it as style HD. Create a hyperlink from the image n22 home.png to open the web page n22 twt.html. So this is n22 home, this image. We need to create a hyperlink to the page n22 twt. So right click, hyperlink, click on existing file or web page, and we need to hyperlink to n22 twt. Okay. Create a link from the image n22 contact.png to open an email editor ready to send a message to this email ID. So n22 contact is this image. So right click, hyperlink. In order to send email, you have to choose email address. The email address is you have to type the email ID here with the subject project line. So this is the email ID and the subject line is project line. Give OK. Attach the style sheet n22 style.css to your web page. So let's attach the page, attach style sheet, click on browse, n22 style, give OK. Save your web page, take a copy of your HTML source and place this in your evidence document. So let's save this. This is the HTML code. Let's copy. Select all the text and copy, and this is your evidence 3. Display your web page in your browser. If necessary, resize it so that all the page can be seen, all text can be easily read, and the address bar is visible. Take a screenshot evidence showing your web page in the browser. Place this in your evidence document. So let's resize the window so that all the text and the images can be seen. Just click on restore here and then adjust the size of the browser. After this, you can just now you can see the complete window, or all the elements are seen here. You can take the screenshot of this one. Make sure the address bar is also there, and this is your evidence 4. Task 5, printing the evidence document. So this is your evidence document which has to be printed. So this is the end of the task. You can find the link for the spreadsheet task in the description. Thank you for now.